Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the hardware. Inspect ports and plug each monitor into power and your PC or dock. Once done, connect one display at a time using the correct cable or adapter so Windows can detect it reliably. Make sure monitors are powered and set to the right input. Then, open Settings, go to System, then Display. Windows will try to detect each connected screen automatically. This immediate detection step gets you into the configuration phase without delay. Once Windows lists your screens, identify them so the numbers match physical positions. Drag the monitor icons to mirror your desk layout for natural cursor movement. Make sure to select Extend if you want separate workspaces or Duplicate for mirroring. Then adjust each monitor's resolution and scale to match native specs. This preserves sharpness and avoids blurry text. If a screen looks rotated, set orientation. These choices balance performance and readability across your multi-monitor setup. To finish, choose which monitor should be your main display so the Start menu and apps open there, then click Apply to save changes. Visit Advanced Display Settings to confirm refresh rates and color profile for smooth motion and accurate color. If a screen won't show, try unplugging and replugging cables, switching ports, or rebooting. Key troubleshooting tip: update your graphics drivers first and test a different cable or adapter. Faulty or incompatible adapters are the most common cause of detection problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.